Guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are watching the daily video, reading for 10 minutes, filling out the reading log and reflection and submit, and completing the Pear Deck on Pathos. So, of those things, I think you pretty well know these first two, so I'm going to go through and explain these seconds, or the third and fourth, I mean. So, the reading log is something new that I am introducing that I will have you guys kind of continually filling out. This week, you're only filling out one, so you'll put the date, your book title, start page, and stop page, and then you'll also go ahead and fill out the end of week reflection. So I've put it here that it needs to be 3 to 5 sentences. It should generally kind of summarize what you read and include your thoughts, questions, predictions. Next, once you're done with this worksheet, you should submit, even though there's obviously more that we will be working on. Go ahead and submit. I will unsubmit it for you once I have put it in the gradebook. So do not unsubmit your own work. I will unsubmit it for you after I've graded it, and then you can continue adding. If I have not unsubmitted it for you and you need to add to it, just write off your start page, stop page on like a sticky note or something. That way you can add to it once I have unsubmitted it. If you are reading an audiobook, you need to change page to time, and that's fine. If you're reading an ebook, it does have pages somewhere. If you need help finding the pages, I can probably help you with that. So just send me screenshots in an email or something. Okay, so submit this when you're done, and definitely get your 10 minutes in for the day. And then the last thing you're going to do is a Pear Deck on Pathos. So amongst reading from last class and ELA from this class, we're covering mini lessons on all 3 Ethos, Pathos, Logos. Last class you did a Pear Deck on Ethos. Today you're going to do a Pear Deck on Pathos, as well as some work on Logos in ELA class. So when you head over to the Pear Deck, it looks very similar to the last Pear Deck you did. You can click through, you'll see there's a short little video. It asks you some questions. Why are we studying this again? Reading and annotating. Which of the following is not an example using ethos? Similar to last class's exercise, review the example, then complete 1 and 2, and 3 through 5. It gives you a storyboard, and then here it has you drawing one of these scenarios. So you can use storyboard if you want, and snip that result from storyboard into this slide. And that should be it. So that's today's lesson. If you guys need anything, let me know. Miss you and love you.